in here. I was curious just how heavy the muffler was that's out of the Hoverstar. That's a heavy muffler, and it weighs just about 10 pounds. No, actually it is. It's 10.8 pounds because we don't have the hanging the chain. So yeah, this muffler weighs just a little over 10 pounds. So that's a lot of weight. I won't be using that muffler. But there's our thrust fan. There's the old engine sitting there. There's the new engine. And here's the Hoverstar. We're milling out this side engine bracket now. We got it on slow speed cut this time. So it's taking a little longer to mill this one out. While I'm got it milling on a slow speed, I can be doing other things. But anyway, this mount is milled out. You can see how we milled the bottom out real low so the thrust fan can clear. And what we'll be doing later on is, once we know exactly where the engine's going to sit, we're going to mill out down the sides so it'll be more free airflow to the fan. Oh, that's interesting. I didn't do that. That tells me there's a rat inside my hovercraft. Who knows, that might be where the freaking rat came from that has been in my shop chewing up stuff. I bet he's inside the hovercraft. Probably was an extra present. I'm gonna have to find that joker. Can't be having no rats chewing up the hovercraft now. We'll keep you posted.